Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel Digitency, a place where you may find a lot of stuff on cryptocurrencies like video tutorials, updates and many more. If you are a tech savvy and a cryptomaniac, subscribe to this channel and turn the notifications on for upcoming videos. Well, in today's video, I have brought to you two important updates in the ICE network. Number 1, the ICE network has stopped its mining activity. Number 2, the ICE network has reversed the pre-staking settings. Now, let's have a look at these changes one by one. Let's start with the first important update, the mining stoppage of ICE coins. Yes, now onwards, you cannot earn ICE by mining. Earlier, you had an increase in the mining rate when you added people to your referral teams, Tier 1 and Tier 2. Now, as you can see in the screen, the mining rate is 0.00 ICE per hour. It means it has stopped and it won't give you any ICE for inviting people to your team. The second surprising change is the resetting of pre-staking settings to 0. Earlier, you and I had a boost in our mining rate for our pre-staking settings. I had made around 35,000 ICE using this feature, but now ICE has reset the pre-staking settings to 0 for each miner, due to which we have that big reduction in our total balance. The pre-staking bonus has been removed. So whether you like these changes or not, it's been done. And we are given time till 28 February 2024 to take some important steps. We need to complete these steps in order to save our balance lest our accounts be disabled. There are 3 simple steps which I am going to discuss one by one for you. Step 1. Pass the ICE quiz, which is also known as KYC Step 3. I have already uploaded 2 videos on ICE quiz. You can find these videos by clicking these 2 thumbnails. You also must encourage and assist your team members to do ICE quiz, otherwise their contribution towards your growth of coins will be reduced if they fail the quiz. Step 2. Add BNB Smart Chain address. This step will make sure that you will receive the distribution, your ICE coins, to your wallet for trade and exchange. You can find a complete tutorial video on how to add BNB Smart Chain address to your ICE account by clicking this link. Last but not the least, Step 3. Tap to mine after every 24 hours. Although the mining is stopped now, you must do the same tap to mine activity by 28 Feb 2024. Otherwise, you will lose your coins through progressive slashing or by negative mining. You must stay active and encourage your team to do so. Well, that's all for now. I hope you have learned something useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our new YouTube channel, Digitency. Good luck.